Lisa?
Ich nehme den Zimmer. Ich habe
And Andre, don't forget to drink something from time to time.
Could you say again?
Don't forget to drink something from time to time.
Oh, thank you. You're absolutely right. What do you serve?
Maybe you can make a short, a quick check of the circuit breakers, if any circuit breakers pop out.
Yeah, but I don't see anything special or... No, there's no change, but it's true that the errand, because I don't eat enough. I mean, it's 3 days I eat very, very little. I mean, everything is full still of everything. So I need to push a little bit this part.
No, it's okay. You eat, and then as soon as we have time, we tell him so that he calls you.
Yeah.
The tail view camera, I think the clouds is good. Huh? And now, oh, okay. Oh, it's terrific, yeah. It's great.
I don't know what happened. I tell you, I spent so much time in this airplane.
C'est pour ça qu'il est si lourd cet avion, je comprends maintenant.
C'est bon, encore?
Another night assistant, huh?
Another what?
Another night assistant.
Correct.
So,
Are you ready?
don't you?
You say when you're ready for the night operation checklist.
I am fine.
Okay. Chief
l'avion, puis on fera sur les hélices, passez pas sur les hélices. Make your props.